Hello everyone. In this problem, two parallel branches are given. One have an inductor of 1 Henry and a capacitor of 1 Farad. This is 1 Henry inductor. This is 1 Farad. And another branch which have a resistance of 1 ohm. These two parallel branches are connected across a current source which have a value of 4 cos of 2t ampere. Now we have to find out the current across 1 ohm resistance for given circuit. So first we have to convert the inductor and the capacitor in the reactive form. So for inductor, XL equals to iota omega L, which is iota omega equals to 2 into L equals to 1 Henry, which is iota 2, and XC equals to 1 upon iota omega C, which is 1 upon iota into 2 into 1 upon iota 2, and by solving this equation, X equals to minus iota 0.5. Now we have applied simply here current division rule. What about current division rule? If there are two parallel branches like that, this is the branch Z1 and this is the branch Z2. If both are connected in exact parallel and current I is flow across these branches, then we can easily calculate the current in branch of interest. For example, if we want to calculate current I2, then I2 will be the current in across Z2. So first we have to write the impedance of opposite branch, which is the Z1. Z1 upon total impedance Z1 plus Z2 and multiply by the total current I0. Multiply by total current I0. Here I0 is the input current. Here I0 is the output current. Okay, that is the difference. So we apply the same concept in this problem. So the total impedance of this branch will be iota 0.2 minus iota 0.5. Okay, and the branch of impedance of this branch will be 1 ohm. So we have to calculate the current across 1 ohm resistor. So I0 equals to we have to calculate current in this branch. So the total impedance in opposite branch will be iota 0.2 minus iota 0.5 upon total impedance 1 plus iota 0.2 minus iota 0.5 into 4 angle of 0 degree. 4 angle of 0 degree, because there are no phase shift in the input current. Angle of 0 degree. Then I0 equals to, by solving this function, this is iota 1.5 upon 1 plus iota 1.5 into 4 angle of 0 degree, right? So it is clear. So I0 will be by solving this equation, the magnitude will be 1.5 and phase angle will be 90 degree, and the magnitude of this is 1.80 and the angle will be 56.30. By solving this equation, the magnitude 1.5 divided by 1.80 multiply by 4 angle 0. This will give 4 into 0.83 and angle will be 90 minus 56.30. Then the current I naught will be 3.32 angle of 33.7. This is the output current across the 1 ohm resistor. So in this problem, what we will do? First, we have to convert our inductive and capacitive circuit in the form of reactive circuit. Then simply we have apply here current division rule. By applying current division rule, we have calculate the value of current I naught. Thank you.